Greetings, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the secrets of mastering the art of healthy food for a vibrant and fulfilling life. I'm your host. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey filled with tantalizing flavors, nutritional insights, and practical tips that will revolutionize your relationship with food. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. The power of healthy food. Here explore the incredible power of healthy food and how it can transform your well-being. From boosting your energy levels to enhancing mental clarity, the benefits are endless. Number 2. Essential nutrients demystified. Demystify essential nutrients and uncover their importance in maintaining optimal health. Learn about the crucial vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body craves. The best sources of these nutrients are fruits and vegetables. Incorporate them into your daily meals. Number 3. Delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Incorporate a variety of delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas. From mouth-watering smoothie bowls to hearty overnight oats. Number 4. Wholesome lunchbox inspirations. For those on the go, we understand the need for quick and convenient lunches. Fear not, just pack the wholesome lunchbox inspirations that are perfect for work, school, or any busy day. Say goodbye to uninspiring sandwiches and hello to vibrant salads, nourishing wraps, and flavorful grain bowls. Number 5. Creative dinner makeovers. Dinner time should never be boring. Make your dinners a healthy makeover. From indulgent cauliflower pizza crusts to zucchini noodle pasta. Number 6. Guilt-free desserts to satisfy your sweet tooth. Who says healthy eating means giving up desserts? Not us. Indulge your sweet tooth with guilt-free dessert options. From decadent avocado, chocolate mousse, to mouth-watering fruit parfaits. Satisfy your cravings without derailing your health goals. Number 7. Tasty and nutritious snack ideas. Snacking doesn't have to be unhealthy. Enjoy a plethora of tasty and nutritious snack ideas that will keep your energy levels up throughout the day. From homemade energy bars to flavorful vegetable dips. Satisfy your cravings while nourishing your body. Number 8. Meal prepping is a game-changer for busy individuals. Dive into the world of meal prepping. Discover time-saving tips, efficient planning strategies, and delicious recipes that will help you stay on track with your healthy eating goals, even on the busiest of days. Number 9. Cooking techniques for healthy meals. Cooking healthy meals doesn't have to be complicated. There are essential cooking techniques that will help you create flavorful and nutritious dishes with ease. From sautéing to roasting. Number 10. Ingredient substitutions for healthier options. A simple ingredient swap can make a world of difference. Discover clever alternatives for refined sugars, flours, and fats that will enhance the nutritional value of your meals without compromising on taste. Stay tuned and stay subscribed. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring, keep nourishing, and keep thriving.